Hi, welcome to Quilts on Tour. I'm Alicia, and I wanted to show you really quickly what came in our June subscription box. This took me almost 2 months to try to pick out what to put in it and decide and think about it, and it's a lot harder than you'd think. So I picked this fabric. The theme was Vintage Summer, and this fabric reminded me of some reenactors' dresses. I used to live near Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, and they would do reenactments around July 4th. So this just kind of reminded me of that. It's that red, white, and blue, but not like in your face, patriotic kind of fabric, just nice and subtle. So there was enough fat quarters and then fabric for the binding to do our pattern, which is boxed up from Cluck Cluck Sew. And there's enough to do the throw size. The only thing that you would need it to provide was the background fabric. I really love Cluck Cluck Sew's patterns. They're always easy to read, easy to follow, and they have colorful illustrations inside. So if you are looking for some new patterns, I would visit their website. They have some great patterns. I also picked out these little sewing coasters. There's 4 different sayings, but I just thought these were a cute little thing. You can keep it by your sewing machine if you want to drink something and not mess up your table, or you can hang it on your wall, that kind of thing. Just nice and cute. We put in a little 6x9 cutting mat from Olaf. These are perfect to take to sewing retreats, to keep right next to your sewing machine if you need to trim something down really quick. Having these small sizes are nice, and actually I have 2 or 3 that I keep in different places to help with that. I also found these cute little 1x6 rulers by Omnigrid. Again, these 2 go hand in hand right next to your sewing machine. You can easily measure a block to make sure that they're at the right size, and this is small enough that you don't have to wrangle it. And we also included thread. All of my boxes will always have some kind of thread in there to match the fabric. I love Orfil, and that's probably the brand that I will put in there. The color is what will be the surprise. This is the 50 weight 220 yard Orfil, and this color is called Dove, and I love this. It's kind of a gray color, but it just it's perfect for neutrals. It'll blend in with whites or darks or whatever. Like if you run out of white, I would try this color. It just seems to disappear even better than white sometimes. And then we also decided to put in a cute little pin cushion, and this is actually a weighted pin cushion. It has a lot of heft to it, so when you pull out your pins or push in your pins, it's not going to slide around on you. And then some cute little pins to go in there. And of course, being from New Jersey, I had to throw in some New Jersey saltwater taffy as a little treat. So I hope you liked our box this month if you got it. If you haven't, make sure you click or check out the description below. We'll have the link for the signups. It's 99 cents to sign up, and then the cost is $34.99 a quarter plus shipping, and the shipping is $8.95. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that so you don't miss out on any of these tutorial videos that I do, or unboxing videos, all kinds of goodies. So thanks for watching, and don't forget, today's a great day to quilt.